how an electric current works. We already talked about the battery, the source of the field that allows the Coulomb guys to run around this circuit. We've talked about the resistor, the light bulb, that's where the work is being done. I didn't really talk about the switch, but if I turn that on, you can see the light bulb is about where it was before. I probably should take and put 2 batteries on there. But if I take this thing right here as a variable resistor and increase it, you can see I can dim the light bulb and brighten it back up just by turning that resistor from weak to strong. And so as I turn up the resistance in here, the light bulb dims. Notice I'm not touching that switch. If I turn it the other way, it comes back on. So it's on, now it's off. On, now it's off. Okay, so that's a resistor. Now, the next thing we're going to talk about is series and parallel circuits. So one of the ways you could build a project is you could take and put 2 light bulbs in a row. So I'm going to flip that guy up and I'm going to put this guy in. Now I'm going to be doing the work in 2 different locations. So this is called a series circuit because my circuit comes from here and it moves through this light bulb, does a little bit of work, and does a little bit there. Now when I hook these up, you're going to see that those are really, really dim. And they're dim, you almost can't see that they're working, but you just saw that one go out, and if you look, they're on, now they're off, they're on, and they're really dim because this battery's trying to do work through 2 light bulbs. And you can see neither of them are very bright. This is called a series circuit. Remember, I'm a Coulomb guy, so I'm going to run through the circuit out of this battery. I'm going to do some work here, then I have to do some work here. It's like you having 2 classes instead of 1. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do parallel circuits. So this time, rather than a force of going through this is like a guy that gets to choose his path. I can go through this one or I can do this one. It would be like us telling you, you can do math today or you can do English. So you're going to put all your energy into that one class versus you're going to do math, then you're going to do English. Okay, you're going to do a better job one at a time. So in this particular circuit, when I hit the button, you're going to see they both light up equally the same, and they light up as though they were just one of them hooked. And you can see way brighter than a series circuit. So in a parallel circuit, what ends up happening is the energy 1 volt goes through this one or it goes through this one. It's not both. It's one or the other. We call that a parallel circuit.